So if you have a Cendence controller and you're trying to hook up a tablet and not use the Crystal Sky monitor, so you're gonna have, this tablet mount here, which comes with the, usually comes with the controller. And so the problem is that with bigger tablets, specifically like the iPad Pros, like 11 and 12.9 inch, and maybe there's some other Android tablets that are pretty big, they don't fit inside this mount. And it's not even close. Like you maybe taking the case off would help a tiny bit, but it's not even close to even like try to force it to go in there. And so obviously this is a problem because you want to have a big nice screen and you want to use some, I personally just bought this new one. I want to have the better iPads. So there's this really handy little thing you can get on Amazon. I'll link it below. This was around $8, and this actually just goes and slides over the top of the mount right here. So it just slides right on. And then what you can do is just put your tablet on, crank it down, and it's on there. And this thing is like really stuck. It's just as if you had the other one. Well, the only con is it kind of like juts the tablet out a little bit more because it's, has to really do that. But it's really, really sturdy on here, and it's not going to really move around with the Cendence controller. So definitely take a look in the description, and I'll put the product in there. And I hope this helps you.